Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz, awesome Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently 49 degrees, cloudy and rainy here in the valley on the Saturday afternoon. Do you know what time it is? It's taste. Today I'm going to try the Hare's jalapeno poppers flavored cheese curls. Oh yeah! Oh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, exciting. Oven baked with real cheese. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of the flavor profile is. I bought this 2.75-ounce bag at a local variety store yesterday for $1.25. Wow. Full disclosure, Dollar Tree is not a sponsor of this video. This particular bag has an expiration date of February 25th, 2024. The store had 15 bags left on the shelf by the checkout register. In addition to the jalapeno popper flavored, the store also had the buffalo blue cheese in stock. Those looked appealing as well. I might try those on the next round, next time I'm in the store. Wow, I really like the design, the green with the orange. It reminds me of a jalapeno popper. Filled with cheese. I like the jalapeno poppers filled with cream cheese. Nice tangy blend. Ah, woo! It smells like jalapeno popper just came out of the oven. Oh, oh my, that is a vibrant orange with specks of green. Cheers, everybody. Mm. Oh my goodness. Light and airy like a feather. Nice initial crunch. Oh, right up front, I get hit with the cheddar cheese profile. Little bit of heat. Chipotle spice. Nice rolling heat. Complements well with the hint of green bell pepper. Ooh, puffy. Ooh, zesty. Oh, that's a wonderful blend. And the curl itself is not greasy or stale. These are very fresh. Oh, it tastes like someone took jalapeno popper, dehydrated it, blended it up, baked it into a curl form, and put it in the bag. Oh, oh, that was a beautiful blend of cheese with the jalapeno. It's not as hot, spicy as I thought it would be. That's a little bit of sweetness there at the end. Mm, Not spicy at all. Woo. But that cheese hits you up front. Ooh, if you like jalapenos, and if you like cheese puffs, cheese curls, I think you would like these. Mm. Cheddar and jalapeno, classic combination. Oh, it's going to be really hard for me not to eat this whole bag in one setting. It'd be great on their own as a snack. Have it with a turkey sandwich. Mm. Oh, fresh. And it looks like all of the cheese curls are in one piece. I don't see any broken ones here in the bag at the moment. Whew. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give the Hare's jalapeno popper flavored cheese curls a 9.23. Woo! Oh, awesome. Mm. Just a little bit of heat, just right. Mm. Oh. One thing I should note is that it does leave powdery residue on the fingers, so make sure you don't touch your face or your eyes right after eating them. But I have a wet wipe here off screen that I'll clean my fingers with once I'm done eating, because these are so good. I just can't get enough. See, I'm having another one. Mm, 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 mm. Until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody. Have a great weekend. Safe travels. I'll see you next time. Ta-da.